Artificial intelligence is reshaping the global economy, but there is a widespread misconception that participating in this field requires the ability to write complex code. The Microsoft Azure AI-900 certification provides a beginner-friendly entry point, serving as a functional guide to the core principles of artificial intelligence without requiring a technical background. You are already interacting with these systems every day. When you open a streaming app like Netflix, an algorithm sorts through thousands of titles to predict exactly what you want to watch next. When you ask a smart speaker to set a timer or check the weather, you are using natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to understand and interpret human speech and text. And when you prompt an application like ChatGPT to draft an email, you are engaging with generative AI. Generative AI is a category of machine learning capable of creating new content, like text, images, or audio, based on patterns it has identified in existing data. The AI-900 exam tests your comprehension of these categories and their real-world applications. It focuses on high-level concepts rather than the back-end programming that makes them function. Because you already use these technologies intuitively, learning the mechanics behind them through the AI-900 is a highly attainable goal for anyone curious about the industry. Microsoft designed this exam for non-technical professionals, students, and people looking to move into the tech industry for the first time. Earning this globally recognized credential prepares you for roles that bridge the gap between technology and business, leading to positions like AI associate or cloud support analyst. This diagram outlines how AI-900 acts as a base foundation before branching into specialized paths, like AI-102 for AI engineers or DP-100 for data scientists. By passing this exam, you build the confidence to eventually tackle those more advanced role-based certifications. If you are ready to start preparing, you can find practice exam questions linked in the description below. The AI-900 validates your strategic understanding of cloud and AI services, serving as a functional asset for your resume in a job market that increasingly demands AI literacy. The official Microsoft exam consists of 40 to 60 questions, and you have exactly 60 minutes to complete it. To earn your certification, you must achieve a minimum score of 700 out of 1,000. Your score is derived from 4 core testing pillars: machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and generative AI. You will not be asked to write code, nor will you need to memorize complex algorithms or mathematical formulas. Your primary study strategy should focus on knowing when to deploy specific Microsoft Azure cognitive services rather than how to build them. Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services are pre-built AI models that allow developers to add intelligent features to applications without having to build the underlying technology from scratch. Passing the exam requires practical decision-making. You demonstrate your value by matching the right AI solution to the right business problem. Stepping into the tech space for the first time often triggers imposter syndrome. It is normal to feel intimidated by artificial intelligence. However, thousands of professionals, from teachers to accountants and sales managers, have successfully prepared for and passed this exact exam. The path to certification is established, and the concepts are rooted in tools you already use. The only remaining barrier is the hesitation to begin studying. To get started immediately, download the complete AI-900 PDF study guide and mock tests from the link in the description and the pinned comment below. In our next video, we will break down exactly what the term artificial intelligence means using only simple, accessible language. If you found this breakdown helpful, please leave a like, share it with a colleague, and subscribe to the channel for more guides. You now have the strategy and the study resources to move forward. You have everything you need to take your first step toward understanding Azure AI Fundamentals today.